Thank you all very much. I can't. I feel the disappointment of missing the 12-month target that Chief Minister Naidu gave us, but I think we did quite well in making it all happen. In 13 months, we really are grateful for all of the support and the sponsorship that we have received. Minister Vaishnaw, Minister Sitharaman, Chief Minister Naidu, and Minister Lokesh, you. We're counting on it to build something really great for India and for the state of Andhra Pradesh. Thank you very much for your very precious time. We actually now would take a group photograph together in front. And please, come on in. All right.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. Please just take a seat. Another 2-3 minutes. I'm Preeti Lobana, the country manager of Google India, and it's such a proud moment. India has made giant leaps in its digital infrastructure agenda. India's progress is defined by its commitment to technology that uplifts every single citizen. And that vision is what guides us today. As we enter the AI era, India is once again leading the charge with a comprehensive national strategy to become a globally recognized AI-powered nation. This ambition and vision for a bold, responsible AI future is a vision that we as Google share deeply. We have not just invested in India, we have partnered with India, aligning our most advanced capabilities with the nation's strategic goals. This is a partnership designed to weave AI into the fabric of India's economic and social infrastructure, creating a future that is more innovative, more secure, and more prosperous for all. Our commitment is already in action, balancing pioneering research with deep responsibility. That is why we opened our largest office, Ananta in Bangalore, earlier this year, with a really strong presence of our DeepMind research teams right here. And we launched the first Google Safety Engineering Center in Asia Pacific region in India a few months ago. And today's announcement is a powerful catalyst designed to power India's innovation engine. Now, you've heard this from Mr. Kurian. We are already partnering with India's enterprises to translate Google DeepMind's foundational technologies into real-world solutions, nurturing the next generation of India's innovators and solidifying our nation's position as a leader in AI. Simultaneously, we are deeply committed to empowering every business to thrive. We are democratizing AI access from open source projects to ready-to-use tools that are simple to use for small and medium businesses as well, so that businesses of any size can drive growth and efficiency. Inclusive AI is super critical for us. As Google, we are honored to be a dedicated partner working together on India's next remarkable chapter where AI empowers every citizen and every business. And we are excited to build on this momentum and continue advancing our shared mission at the upcoming India AI Impact Summit. That's a very important part of all of this for us. Our deepest gratitude to all of the honorable ministers on stage, Honorable Chief Minister, to all of the honorable ministers in the audience, the senior government officials in the audience, for your vision, your presence, and your belief in this partnership. And thank you to all the industry leaders and media members for making the time to attend this very critical announcement. As everyone said, it's auspicious and it's a joyous occasion. Thank you very much.